everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today I'm happy to do an unboxing with you all. It's the Louis Vuitton silhouette ankle boots. And the reason I wanted to make this video was because when I was researching on YouTube to find out information, I didn't get much information online and there wasn't that many videos. So I wanted to share with you all my findings and maybe help you make the decision if you're debating on whether to get the boots or not. First thing I want to say is if you are thinking of getting these boots, do it. These boots are very, very beautiful and they're so comfortable and versatile. You can dress these boots up, you can dress them down. I am in love with these boots. They're so beautiful. My advice would be to go into the store to try them on, because I went into the store thinking, okay, I'm a size 37, 37 and a half. I ended up having to get a size 39 because these boots run that small. Also, I like to wear my boots with thicker socks, more for comfort. So it's totally your preference whether you wear them with thin socks, no socks, totally up to you. But I would advise going into the store so you don't have to, if you order them online, have to return them, reorder them, go through all that hassle. Second thing I want to say is these boots, the heel, they are super comfortable for the reason being that they're only 3.1 inches, which means, ladies, I don't know about you, I live in Manhattan and I've tried walking the city with Christian Louboutins. They're not the comfortable thing to walk in. These, on the other hand, are very comfortable. So without further ado, let me show you. They come in this Louis Vuitton box. And the great thing about these boots is also they each come with the Louis Vuitton protective bag. The boot is absolutely beautiful. Have I said that? Yes. So here they are. Here she is. Let's talk about how beautiful this monogram flower heel is. It is so pretty. Actually, the guy at the store told me, if I walk in sand, I will leave the Louis Vuitton mark. I don't think I'm walking in sand with these boots, but anyway. As I mentioned, it's a 3.1 inch heel. And here on the top, as you can see, they have the monogram as well. And they are absolutely beautiful. The top, let's talk about the top. So the top here is elastic. So when you wear them, it's going to form fit your ankle. And ladies, I have very skinny ankles and they fit me perfectly. So that's a plus. And you don't have to worry about the actual boot after you take it off stretching out because they go back to how they are. The sole. So as I mentioned, I live in Manhattan and there are many leather spa locations here. So I'm going to be taking them to leather spa because I want them to protect the sole and also because they're quite slippery like this. But if you are thinking of getting these boots, do it. I was very blessed because my hubby actually bought these for me as our anniversary gift. So I'm so happy. Thank you, hubby. And as always, I have Zena here who always likes to be in mommy's videos. Say hi. Well, guys, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Take care. Hope this video helped you. Bye.